16, 17, and 18, finding the slope given 2 points on my line. M is my symbol for slope. Slope is the change in y over the change in x. So they'll tell you to take y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Now it really doesn't matter which one is point 1 and point 2. If I call that one point 1, here's my x1 and my y1, here's my x2 and my y2. And so I'm going to take the y value from point 2, which is negative 7. I'm going to subtract the y value from point 1, which is negative 3. On the bottom, I'm going to take the x value from point 2, which is 7. I'm going to subtract the x value from point 1, which is negative 9. So I'm going to have negative 7 plus 3, which is negative 4. And then I'm going to have 7 plus 9, which is 16. And of course, I've got a fraction, so I want to simplify that. So I'm going to get negative 1/4 for my slope. Now just for fun, if I do that same problem, but I do it in the other order, if I do the y minus the y, saying this is 2 and this is 1, I would take negative 3 minus a negative 7, and then I would take negative 9 minus just the 7. So I would have negative 3 plus 7 on top, and negative 9 minus 7 on the bottom. I would get 4 over negative 16, which again simplifies to the negative 1/4. So just to show you, the order really doesn't matter. That's just the order they're going to show you, since they're going to say I'm going to take the y value from point 2 minus the y value from point 1. So on number 17, if I'm going to find the slope of the line, the y value from point 2 is 6 minus the y value from point 1, which is negative 8, over the x value from point 2, which is 5, minus the x value from point 1, which is negative 3. So I'm going to have 6 plus 8 over 5 plus 3. 6 plus 8 would be 14. 5 plus 3 is 8. I can reduce that down. So 7/4 going to end up being my slope. And number 18, finding the slope again. The y value from point 2 is negative 1. I'm going to subtract the y value from point 1, which is negative 3. The x value from point 2 is 1, subtracting the x value from point 1, so minus the 3. So I'm going to have negative 1 plus 3 and 1 minus 3, so I'm going to get 2 on top. I'm going to get negative 2 on the bottom, and simplifying 2 over negative 2, I get a slope of negative 1 then.